regular, you're like a Porsche or a night. Tell God bless you every night, I'm a prayer.
Got $3 million in the low bag. We still don't beat them, bud. Rare bar, 6 bars, them a mad.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm showing my face on here today. I know I have not made a recipe video in quite some time now. It's been a couple months, but I'm just out here living life, taking life one day at a time, going through this little transitional period in my life, but I'm good. All is well. I'm blessed and so very grateful. But I just wanted to come on here today to kind of do a little mini vlog, kind of catch up with you guys. I'm going to go grab a bite, a quick little bite, and I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. And yeah, hope everyone is doing well. If you guys missed me, leave a little heart in the comments below. But I'm definitely gonna be resuming my recipe videos soon. I can't say exactly when, but soon. I miss cooking, I miss my YouTube fam, so definitely stay tuned for all the recipes that I have. Like, I literally have tons and tons of recipes to share with you guys. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, definitely make sure you do that and give this video a thumbs up. So this is the Thai restaurant that I decided on. It's called Joya. I've been here a couple times and the food and everything is good. The atmosphere is good. So I think I'm just gonna go in and yeah, get some eat. So it's a really nice day. So I decided to sit outside. They have an outside area and then they have an inside area, obviously. So this is how the outside area is looking. Pretty cozy with these little nice pillows and everything. Like I said, the name of the restaurant is Joya, and this is what their menu looks like. They have soup, salad, noodles, stir fries. These are their appetizers right here. And if you open it up, they have some curries, vegetable, and obviously fried rice. I'm not sure what I'm in the mood for today, but you guys will definitely see what I decide to get. Oh, and they also have this little handwritten menu thing. I guess this is like some of the specials and stuff that they have at the moment. They have like Thai style mussels. They have steamed shrimp dumplings, grilled salmon with string beans, etc, etc. So I'm just gonna browse through the menu and then decide what it is that I'm in the mood for right now. Pineapple juice is literally my favorite thing ever, so of course I ordered pineapple juice. I'm not one of those people who likes to drink a lot while I eat, but I'm just gonna take a little bit just to kind of test to see if I like it or how it tastes. That's actually really good pineapple juice. You know how sometimes you taste pineapple juice and you could tell that it's like generic? This actually tastes pretty fresh and pretty good. So I'm just gonna hold that down for a minute until my food gets here, because I'm not trying to drink a lot before I actually eat, and I'm pretty hungry, so I'm trying to save space as well. So this is my appetizer. I have the fried chicken dumplings. I've tried the vegetable ones before and I liked it, so now I've decided to try the chicken ones. Let me see how it is. It does look good, so I'm hoping it actually tastes good too, but looks can be very deceiving, so let me see what's up with this. It's like a sweet chili sauce. Okay. Alright. Not bad. The sauce is okay, but the rolls are actually pretty good. So this is what it looks like inside of it. It has like chicken, and this looks like some kind of like noodle. I'm not really sure what kind of noodle, but it looks like some little baby noodles in here. is just a little bit, it's sweet, but it's not like my favorite kind of sweet. You know how you have like honey sweet, and then you have like a tangy kind of sweet? This is like more on the tangy side, which is not like my favorite, so. Even though this is really good, another drawback to like rolls, fried rolls in general, is how much like oil that they hold sometimes, or how much oil they like give off when you're eating it. But like I said, it's not bad at all. I prefer the vegetable ones for sure, but you know, trying new things never hurt. So they have like a spicy chicken fried rice, as well as pork, but I decided to kind of switch it up a bit and order shrimp. Since I had that chicken dumpling, I didn't want to get chicken again, so I opted for shrimp, and this is how it's looking. Very festive. I've had like shrimp fried rice before from here, but it's not this like spicy one, so let me dig in and see exactly how spicy this is or how good it is. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all that this is actually the pineapple one, so it has like little pieces of like pineapple throughout, which yeah, makes it that much better. So I'm gonna just eat and let y'all know my thoughts on this fried rice. Now look at that steam though. No, it's hot and good. When you see that steam, know that this thing is fresh out. Unless they put it in a microwave, which I don't think. But yeah, I'm gonna just dig in and let you guys know my thoughts. I'm eating, I could definitely taste some spice, so that's good, because a lot of restaurants say that stuff is spicy, and then as I'm eating, I never taste like not even one drop of spice. Like, I'm Jamaican, so obviously our spice is different, but I could really taste some kind of spice in this, so kudos to y'all, Joya. What's your favorite cuisine? Like, what do y'all enjoy going out to eat? Like I said, Thai food is literally one of my favorites. I obviously love Jamaican food, but if I could eat another cuisine, it would definitely be Thai. Between Thai food and Mexican food. I just haven't found a really, really good Mexican spot, but I can't wait to go to Thailand, try authentic Thai food, and I really, really can't wait to go to Mexico to try Mexican food. The pineapples definitely complement the spice a lot. I don't know, I feel like fried rice with some kind of fruit in it is always good. Like, I've had fried rice with mango in it, and I've had fried rice with pineapples in it, and it definitely gives it like a different flavor. So good. So they have carrots in here, green red peppers, cabbage, peppers, and pineapples with shrimp in here, and a little bit of basil cut up like throughout. So all these flavors together definitely bring this fried rice from being a 5 out of 10 to a I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10 so far, but I'm still eating. So once I'm done eating, I'm gonna see my ratings change. But right now it's an 8 out of 10. That's how you know something is spicy. When my nose is starting to run, baby. I've been eating this for a good, I'm gonna say 5 minutes, and this heat, like the temperature, is not letting up. Like this shit is still hot. But that's good though. I'd rather my food be hot any day than be cold.
Everything alright?
Everything's okay. Thank you. Now I have a little food baby, but that was definitely good, worth it. So I initially gave it an 8 out of 10, and I think my rating is going to stay at an 8 out of 10 because it was good. But those 2 points that I took off, I felt as though the pineapples were sweet, but they tasted a little bit too ripe, if that makes sense. Like, you know how pineapple starts to taste like it's going bad if it's like too ripe? That's how it tasted. So yeah, 8 out of 10 it is. So I have not been to the promenade since last summer, and since the summer started I haven't really been like over here, so why not just kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I just went to Joya, had a nice little meal like y'all seen, so like it's pretty close by. I always enjoy going to the promenade. It just gives me time to kind of, you know, think, reflect, and just enjoy the scenery, because it's this little spot that like overlooks the city and stuff. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about once I get there, but you know, it's just always nice to just be out, enjoy fresh air, and just be grateful. Like, just bask in the fact that you're alive, you're well. Things in life could be so much worse. So I'm just grateful. I'm just really happy and grateful, honestly, for everything, like the good, the bad, everything in between. I'm just super thankful that I'm where I'm at right now. This right here is what life is about. Just look at this. Look how gorgeous. So I'm actually gonna end this vlog right here. I hope you guys had fun hanging out with me today. I know that a lot of you guys subscribe to my channel to see my recipes, to learn how to cook, or just to see some food. But like I said, I'm going to be doing more recipe videos soon. I'm gonna resume that soon. I promise, soon. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini vlog, and I hope you guys had a good time hanging out with a little old me. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed as yet, then what the heck you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Peace out. Enjoy this beautiful view. Alright guys, peace out. Bye.